Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's video review, I've got two names for you that I think are setting up in a very bullish way. Two very different companies, and as I've been having to say in so many of these videos lately, buying names kind of up here at breakout prices is not giving you a discount, right? I totally get that. But at the same time, I am not going to be the trader that looks at this and says, oh, this is a double top and we should be short. I think it's the furthest thing from the case. I'm going to look at this and tell you that if we start with a time frame, maybe the monthly is one thing, but the weekly squeeze is a little bit more fresh. So as a student of squeezes and as someone always looking to them for their potential to provide directional momentum, that 3-week signal is kind of just not getting underway and provides the nested nature of looking at a weekly that has already fired and then looking at a daily that is still coiled. So you've got a couple of things here. First off, I would prefer to buy it at the 21 EMA. I think that helps provide context for when I'm looking at this telling you, look, I realize this fresh new high is not a discount. Well, look at how the 21 EMA provided lift here on the 7th, or, a little bit bigger test, but same concept back here at the end of September. So these are the types of pullbacks that are very much allowed, and if you can pursue it down into that area, wait for the squeeze to fire, I think you will see higher prices for this name. From there, I would take the swing high of this swing low because I like to look for 1272 and 1618 extensions as being meaningful Fibonacci targets. So we'll add the 1272 back into this. And then I also wanted to show you the exact same way of thinking about those proportions, but doing them against a larger swing. So that's going to be helpful for your more immediate trade approach. And then the broader view would use those same proportions against these 2 points. And then you start to see targets that get us a little bit closer towards 525. So I like that in Mastercard. And then I was just thinking about what else starts with an M. And it happens to be Marvell, as far as names that I've been involved with that have very good patterns. I like showing you these because these are more nested squeezes, where there's a very big part of this where you look at Marvell and say, it's really sideways, right? There's not really a whole lot of a trend here, but when the trend does get going, when these squeezes do finally give some of that directional momentum that they are capable of doing, if the 1 day can lead into the 3-day, can lead into the weekly, I think you've got some very serious potential here. And of course, when that all unfolds is the big question. But I think those are some powerful signals to watch into the beginning of the year, and I wanted to make sure that you were aware of them. I hope you have a great weekend, and we will see you in the chat room on Monday. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.